Tell me why la left nugi nyao. Hi Munchies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year guys, Happy New Year. I'm sick. Like at first I thought maybe it's sinus, but it's flu. It is flu. Happy New Year, compliments to the new season. I hope ungene kahle inyanga omusha, ingene kahle as well, but it wasn't my best year, like my best New Year's Eve, but there's nothing we can do. What else? Yeah, me and Boyza are still doing good. He's sleeping, and I'm about to leave for work, so yeah, I'm not sure if I should put this hairband. My week has kind of shifted. It's been really hot, so a week in JB lifter. I'm only going to be off, I think, Tuesday or Wednesday. That's when I can fix my week. But for now, let me do this. This is not the hairband that I want, and the hairband, the bigger ones, I did my washing day before yesterday and are downstairs and they are wet. Also, it's raining. Like, why? Why is it raining? Anyways, you guys, I look so cool today. I bought these trainers from Mr. Price. The hoodie is from Cotton On. Got it on sale. I need to be warm because, like I said, I thought this was sinus, but turns out it's now flu. I can't even open my banking apps with my face or my phone because my eyes are just weird. So yeah, let's see what this new year has in store for us. I'm hoping it has really good and awesome things for me. Growth, wealth, YouTube growth, content creation growth, because I really need it. You know, it's not nice to stay in one place and not see the growth. And then one more, yeah. And then there's this other thing that I saw on Instagram from this other, I think she's an influencer if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna insert a picture here. I want to do that for myself. I've already done it. I wrote it on my let me get it. I wrote it on my Tom Ford notebook they gave me. I wanted to use this notebook for my perfume orders, like to write down people's names, but I think I'm gonna actually use it for both because yeah. And then obviously these are the devotions that I wrote for myself. 2026, the year of growth, happiness, wealth, prosperity, and entering big spaces. I am worthy, I am beautiful, I am wealthy. I'm gonna do these things. I'm gonna say these things to myself every morning just to set the tone for the day. And then yeah, then here I wrote, learn to save, be debt free, you attract the life you want. You know, save 500 to 1,000 every month, buy myself flowers every month, make sure my hair, nails and lashes are done. Obviously the lashes I do myself. I also need to get a hairdryer to be able to install my own hair. And then pouring into myself, romanticizing my life, appreciating myself, investing in myself. As for investing, I'm currently on a diet. I did this diet last year for 3 months and I lost a bit of weight. So I want to do that because I'm only going to go back to the gym month end. Good morning, Munchies. How you doing? I'm good, my baby. I'm good. Yeah, I just finished taking a shower and I want to vent. I want to vent so bad. Also, I had to move my products in the bathroom because I don't live alone anymore. I forgot my moisturizer. I don't live alone anymore, so I can't be naked in front of a teenager. He's sleeping though, but I just don't want him to catch a glimpse of anything. But the first thing I can start with is that God works in mysterious ways. Never doubt that, because on the 5th of Jan, day before yesterday, I almost got into a car accident, like a very fatal one. But lucky for me, I think God was just there, because I know that taxi driver, he speeds, but that day he was like, I'm not gonna speed, and Wakuma is on. Luckily we were not on the fast lane, né? And then yesterday, if I remember correctly, 6th January is the very same date where my phone got stolen. Put two and together. So clearly I should have known with that accident that something is going to go down. Very soon I'm going to find out. And I did. And I did, actually. And I did. Normally, I dream. I have like weird dreams, and I'm like, okay, but I did not have a dream. So yeah, God protects his own, and everything shall come to light. Everything shall come to light. Mina ngithukanga guys. Umthandazo ngiyawazi. Ukuguqa amadolo is something that I really know. So there's nothing I can say. All I can say is that I'm not surprised. Yeah. Anyways, I got these spot clearing salicylic acid heart-shaped pimple patches. I used one yesterday. I don't want to be that girl anymore that pops her pimples, because my skin has been making so much progress that even someone else can see that my skin is getting somewhere. You know, when you get the compliment from your regional that, oh my God, you've got such good skin. And I know I've got good skin, just that we've got a few minor problems that I need to clear on my skin, but we are getting there. I need to refill my lashes now. So yeah, we should get you some. So yeah, I have a pimple here. I started my monthlies. I should have known that this pimple is for my monthlies, because also, why is it there? Because normally I get them on my, literally, 'Literally, 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 ' I'm on my monthlies. I hate them so much because also why did they come really early like this? Because I was literally on my monthlies before Christmas, so what's going on? What's going on? My skin has been loving the Bare Skin product, and I am happy because nothing stresses me more like my skin. It's not nice to wear makeup all the time, or on days where you shouldn't be wearing makeup, but we're making progress, and we shall see which is Penelaphi. Also, this sunscreen, top notch. Like, where have you been all my life? Hi Munchies, how you doing? I'm actually trying to do my lashes, but happy Thursday. Today's Thursday, yeah. Guys, there is no electricity. Oh, not electricity. There is no water. Like, so bored. Like, I'm literally bored. One thing about living in Joburg CBD, this is what I hate about it. A part of me wants to move back to Hillbrow Berea for numerous reasons. This is one of them. So I'm not sure. Like, kandalam hlanga. Anyways, I am trying to do my lashes because I look like an egg when I don't have my lashes on. I haven't cleaned. I've been sleeping the whole day. I hope water comes back because sengenuka manje. My son is not around. Ohambile Opoiza. Oh, guys, he went to his father's place. I'm like, hey, Bo Puti. And I really wanted to cook today. When there's no water. Clearly, I'm gonna cook tomorrow because I don't understand this water business thing. And I know for sure if I ask Umalume, one thing about trying to stick the lashes at the end, it's very hard. The security, he's gonna tell me that Amanzi Anna 2 days ahambile. We've been using water from the tanks because that's the story all the time. Whenever you ask, my lashes are literally finished because I'm gifala 12, 10 and 8 because I love me a cat eye look. I'm my lashes that are the same length. Not my style, yo. Definitely not my style. But yeah, guys, I've been sleeping, eating the whole day. Not even eating much. I only had cornflakes in the morning, and then now I only had my, what are these biscuits called? Crackers and juice. I feel like my tummy, one thing about my body, it gets used to a diet very, very fast. So that's what one thing I love about my body. When it comes to a diet, I get used to it very fast. It's only been how many days, but now some crackers and juice. Really? I'm probably gonna have an apple later on. Yesterday I was so tired. I was so tired yesterday. I went to Food Lovers. I started bringing my fruits to make my smoothies and stuff. I did not find them, but they had like eggs, 32 packs of 30 eggs for 120. I bought that. I also bought cherry tomatoes. I bought quite a few stuff. So walking back to the mall, yes, it was so hot. And I was doing a double shift. Like I literally regretted going to Food Lovers. So that's why I'm so tired. Plus, it's been a good 5 days of working. No. Ooh. One thing about this glue Wi-Fi, I gotta be here, Baba, because like, I look so crusty. I really do look so crusty. Bandla. I look so crusty. But yeah, guys, literally spent my off day sleeping. Sleeping the whole day. Being on TikTok, Instagram, and all that stuff. Because what can we say? Let me quickly do my lashes, then I'll come back to you guys. I am done with them lashes, y'all. I am done. Yo, bandla. Guys, they got crusty. The level of crustiness is not cute. Imagine if someone says, "Can I please come see you?" Wey, bandla. Gizoitin, Linda. Gizoitin. But yeah, the lashes are done. Back to cuteness. Let me see how my weave looks. Oh my god, I need to stand up. The hair, I swear this is one of my good quality wigs from Dragon City, and I love it so much. Just nice and cute. I'll show you some more, Yanch. Because guess she's and yeah. There's the iPod hairpins. I hate it when I forget things that I'm supposed to be using. Like, I hate it so much. Like, Angita and Leon, like, no. Yo. This year I need to invest in a hairdryer and a wig doll so that I install my own hair, because I don't know like this. I don't like it at all. At all. This side yilabelele week eqala ukulifta khona nkosi yami. And can it just sit still? Like, can it just sit still? I'm trying to look cute for a bit, please. Like, ukfaka a hairband is not that nice. It's not cute, actually. It's not nice at all. Putting on a hairband just to cover your lace, and it turned it do. Gifaka ngoba anginayo choice. Makes you look cute and stuff, but yeah. Also, a hairdryer will help me on days like this when I'm trying to fix my wig and melt my lace. It'll melt, but it won't melt. It'll just stick. Let me just say, it'll stick. So that's what I'm trying to. Pep Home. So I'm on the. Okay, no, I saw it on TikTok first. So I'm on the Pep Home group chat on WhatsApp from the mall, and they posted these cute glass mugs that have a pink bow. I'm gonna insert a picture. I am definitely going to get them. I told them to keep 4 for me. Like, I told them to keep 4 of them for me because I am coming to get them. So tomorrow we are going to get them. I feel like this scar is getting lighter. My face is improving from what people say, but the only thing I see is the scar. It's getting lighter. So we try until things get much better. Literally right now I'm waiting for water to come back. Actually, I need to go on Twitter to check what Joburg water is saying, because like I said, saying yanuga manje, so I don't like that for myself. Mina ngintombazana ethanda ukuhlala igezile, intombazana ethanda ukuhlala inonga kamnandi. So yeah, I'm trying to look my best every day of my life. I don't want you guys to catch me sleeping. Like this year I told myself I will not let anyone catch me sleeping every day of my life unless I'm inside the house. I need to be put together. Cannot go to work with a bad headache. Like, ilash, my lash, Sisi, do your lashes. This is what I'm going to be saying to myself all the time. Do your lashes. Like, I'm investing in myself so much more this year, and I'm going to be so quiet about it. Like, I'm going to be so quiet about it. Like, I'm not going to post on WhatsApp, but oh guys, I'm on a diet. Oh guys, what? No, I'm trying to be someone that says say less and just show results, because I feel like I overshare a lot it's gotten to a point where people take advantage of what I've said to them, the information, my personal information that I've said to them, and they use it against them. And I'm like, why? Like, yes, I would understand if you're using false information, but it's not. It's real stories. One thing about me, I can't lie. I will tell the truth for the way it is. Like, I cannot lie to save my life. So oversharing, I've also realized that there are things that I overshare with someone whom I think I trust, but they look like a genuine person in front of me, but actually they're not. They are not. So out the window. Gizokhuluma lapho nalapho. You know what? A lot of things I'm going to share with my friends, because other people are not my friends. Yeah, other people are not my friends. So yeah. So we are not cutting off people. We are just keeping things to ourselves, because cutting off, not my style. Not my style anymore, baby. Not my style. Go to other people that will cut you off, not me. So you will never catch me sleeping this year. I'm gonna look my absolute best almost every day. Just look put together, man. Like, just trying to look cute, just trying to look a certain way. Just, you know, just invest in yourself. Anyways, guys, let me tidy up the house, and then maybe the water will be back by the time I finish. Good morning, Munchies. How you doing? I didn't put a hairband on today, and I look very weird. Like, I look very weird. I want to show you guys my marks. Oh my god, these are so cute. Please don't pay attention to my face, because kunenge, man. Kunenge. Anyways, you guys, let me, I was opening one now because I wanted to take a picture for my thumbnail. So here is the mug. I bought 4 of them because buying 2 doesn't make sense. Like, how cute are these? How cute. Oh my god. The teas are going to be very bossy. Oh, I'm still going to swallow. I'm still going to sip on some teas. These were 40 rand each. I got 4 of them. Like, it's a glass, but it's not very heavy. So, oh my god, I'm so happy. And they didn't put them aside for me because I was going to scream. They still have them on the shelves, but by the time you guys see this, these will probably be sold out because apparently they're flying off the shelves. So I don't know. I'm gonna post them on my Insta actually. Why am I putting this back? Because I want to take a picture. So yeah, the tea's about to be busting down, darling. Let's have a sip of some tea. I told you I'm on project, finish my house, make my house look like a home, feel like a home. Nice thing is that my son is around, so I want him to feel at home whenever he's home and stuff. So, how cute. So girly and stuff, like, buy cute things. Good afternoon. Hi Munchies. I literally just came back from work. It's almost 5 though. I'm shy 7 or 3. Couldn't Zula light dropping, guys. Like I almost passed out. Anyways, I wanna do my lashes quickly before I start cooking. Ish. Sorry, I was disturbed by a phone call, but guys, my colleague wanted a hairdryer at Clicks. They had like a combo and stuff. Layer combo, it's finished at Clicks. Actually, it went back to the original price. But then we saw a hairdryer, the Safeway one. It's similar to this, but that one is foldable. Like you can, I guess, and there was only one left. I told that guy there's another one that I wanted, but I was like, let me go look for this at Carlton Center. And then if I don't find it, I'm gonna come by it tomorrow. Mangfigure Carlton Center. That one I saw is not on special. Mall of Africa put a wrong price point on the wrong hairdryer. Okay, cool. I look for this one. I check the watts and then I see that it's this one. There was only one left. Guys, I don't have a hairdryer. What kind of a girl am I? Like, what kind of a girl am I? So this is the hairdryer. Please do not say I'm not dressed. I have a towel over. So not gonna be a ring price. This I bought this for 209 rand. I wanna test it out and see if it does really work, because I'm going to scream if it doesn't. It looks very nice and cute. Even the other one I was going to take for 200. Yeah, the difference was 10 rand. 9 rand, 10 rand. So this is the hairdryer. It comes with this. So I just want to test it out. And then month end I'm gonna go to Dragon City to go buy a wig head, because I want to be installing my own hair now. You know, I'm already doing my lashes, so I want to do my own wig installs. Obviously install when there's like a special occasion, but if I do master installing my hair, they're not gonna see me anytime soon. Also, I cut myself the other day when I was cooking, so okay, it does work, but it smells like plastic. That's his ocean, and if it does, let me check this thing. They have I wonder what's the return policy or what's the warranty. I'm actually going to search on the internet and then keep the box and everything, because you know like in plastic. I don't know, maybe it's because it's still new, but it smells like that. So yeah, I actually bought a shirt from Mr. Price for 260. I'm going to go and refund that shirt because I think I need a hair dryer more than a shirt. So yeah, we've got a hair dryer. Bits by bits, I am increasing my collection. Not collection. Yeah, because I do have a hair straightener. I do want a hair straightener, a Hamaja E1 with the plug, but not now. So I do have a hot comb hair straightener with a curler. So yeah, the reason why I wanted that other hair dryer is that it was a 2-in-1. So it's a hair dryer and also has a curling thing, so you can literally put that and make it a curler. So yeah guys, I want to do my lashes and then cook. My son just left. His father came to fetch him. I don't know where they're going, so at least I'll have some me time and some quietness just for a few hours. Guys, I'm going to give my friend his watch downstairs, and please tell me why What's this nugging? Oh my god. I'm going to scream. Good morning, Munchies. I swear no one has yo, she put me in the first step. I get to on my hairband like me. Like I guess the day they invented this hairband thing. Also, my wig cap ipumile. So there's so much noise, Lana. Let me come. My wig kept ear puma, so forgive me, y'all. But I bought this yesterday. I have this in white. I have 2 of them in white. I think I like the material more. I bought this for 10 rand. Mangsha is a the taxi corner line dropper off corner, so that's where I buy them. And I guess the day they invented the style, because I'm obsessed with the style. Also, there's what's this? There's a short I bought the other day at, what do you call this store? Food Lovers. And I want to taste it. It was on 50% off. I literally bought that thing for 6 rand. So I hope it tastes nice. I was just waiting to finish my monthlies and then taste it. But yeah, the color of this thing is peach. So it's all being push a move in white. I'm not sure if I should do that or leave it like that. But also this wig needs to get off my head. I look so pretty and cool. This just makes you look clean. That's where Zazi and Damazaku. Like that's where Zazi. Yeah, she said, oh, let me move this thing backwards. I also need to close off this vlog because literally there's nothing I'm doing. It's just me and work. On Saturday, I was off. When I tell you that I almost died, I almost made my creator. Yes, Anna. I had bride meat. I went to a friend's birthday celebration and I had bride meat. And it's got too much spice. Now I look pretty. This boy being my DM saying I'm pretty. And then, Haibo, tell me why I came back home. I was so sick. Like, ngakula. I vomited the whole night until in the morning. Like, what's happening? One thing about my system, it gets used to not having red meat. And then the moment I have red meat, I kesana ndizogula. Even this happened even last year when I was on my diet. I didn't have red meat. The minute I went to my mind, when I came back, I almost died. So it's not cool. I'm not sure if I know earrings, guys. I haven't been loving earrings lately, so I don't know what's happening with me and earrings. Yo, I also didn't pay for my phone storage. This is the, I was trying to peel this off. It's a skinny shot, cold pressed. See, it was on 50% off. I want to know what the ingredients are. Mine are the sticker on top of the. It's got beetroot, apple, blueberry, apple cider, vinegar. Oh lolo. Oh lolo. How is this going to taste? My God. Let's take a shot. Take a shot. But I wanted to take a picture for my thumbnail. Actually, let me take. Let's take a shot or something. Ooh, guys, I hope this thing is not bad. Like, I'm going to scream. Also, when is the expiry date of this thing? Because when why buy fire 50% off? Okay, it tastes like beetroot. It tastes like if beetroot got klungabi. It's not bad. It's not bad, just that I've never had a beetroot drink, so yeah. Oh wow, I'm going to be having 2 boiled eggs for lunch. Yesterday I had 3. I didn't have breakfast yesterday. I only had coffee. 2 boiled eggs and an apple. That's going to be my lunch for today. Wow. So yeah, guys, I wanna have my citrus soda because my ulcer. Also, besides citrus soda, balancing my for me taking it for down there purposes, but it also helps with my ulcer. So I'm trying as best as I can not to get sick because this ulcer almost. I just need to wear my shoes and get my bag and leave. Oh, I need to put on some perfume as well. Let's put on some perfume. This is faggy perfume. I haven't used this girl in a minute. I haven't used her in a minute. She tends to be very so good. Yeah, I can't wait to go. Can't wait for it to be birthday so I can I can stock my perfumes. Because people have been asking me for perfumes for so long and I don't have them. So month end it is. Month end I'm going back to the gym. Also, I feel like I'm losing. One thing about my body, it reacts very fast to a diet or even gym. So yeah, let me get ready, guys. I'm literally wearing this t-shirt written made in Cape Town, my uniform and my formal work pants. Jeans, I'm a jeans, guys. I need to look for earrings because I'm not sure. Oh, also I need to take you guys to Pep with me because I'm going to buy my classes. I'm only gonna buy 2 because I'm speaking fast because my phone is acting up these days. I didn't pay for space, so those mugs with the bow, they got their glasses. I asked them to keep 2 for me, so that's where I'm gonna start before I head to the store. So I'm gonna take you guys to Pep with me, and then yeah, that's about it. Let's go. Hi Munchies. I'm literally here just to close off this vlog because honestly I didn't close it off yesterday, so and I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, but thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Please don't mind how crusty I am. I know I am crusty. I am so tired. Today has been such a long day. With schools opening and stuff, so I'll see you on my next video.